Nearly a year to the day, the family of a man shot and killed by a Douglas County Sheriff's deputy in Highlands Ranch is now suing the deputy. They're calling the shooting unreasonable and excessive. Thank you for joining us on Denver 7 News at 5. I'm Jessica Porter.
And I'm Micah Smith. 23-year-old Jalen Sebron was celebrating his birthday when Deputy Nicholas Moore responded to a call about an active shooter at the Main Event Entertainment Center. That's when Moore says he found Sebron in the parking lot holding a gun. Investigators say Moore ordered Sebron to drop his gun, then seconds later fired 9 deadly shots.
Tonight, Sebron's family is calling for accountability, filing a wrongful death lawsuit saying their son was not involved in the shooting and deserves justice.
Denver 7's Dan Grossman listens to their side of the story and explains the disagreement between the two parties.
Accountability comes from acknowledgement.
This has been the hardest thing that I've had to do.
And for Veronica Sebron and her family, it's the acknowledgement of a pain they don't believe they should have had to live with for the last year.
I'm a mother forced to speak about her child in past tense. Jalen was shot 7 times in the back with a high-powered rifle. And I cannot accept anyone telling me that shooting my child in the back is justified.
On Tuesday, the family announced it filed a wrongful death lawsuit against Nicholas Moore, the deputy who shot and killed 23-year-old Jalen Sebron when responding to a report of shots fired inside Main Event in Highlands Ranch last February.
Drop the gun!
Body camera video released last March shows the moments leading up to a shooting the family's attorney, Tyrone Glover, says was unreasonable and excessive.
We are going to show that the way he escalated this, the way that Deputy Moore showed up on scene, the way that he did not give Jalen an opportunity to comply. He did not verify that Jalen indeed was the potential shooter.
The lawsuit claims Deputy Moore did not check the dispatch report or notify dispatch he had arrived, saying if he had, Moore would have known the shooter was reported to be a woman, even though Sebron had a gun in his hand. Denver 7 reached out to the district attorney's office about the lawsuit. It did not bring charges against Moore after investigating the shooting. On Tuesday, it said it stands by its decision, pointing us to its press conference last year, saying Moore acted within the guidance of the law.
It's also not relevant what Mr. Sebron's actual intentions were, given the conduct that took place in the parking lot of the Main Event. None of that matters when what we're focusing on is the objectively reasonable belief of the deputy.
That's not how the family sees it, saying this is justice for a man who never got to see the birth of his son.
It sucks getting to see my kid grow up and not knowing Jay is here to be here for any of it.
In Castle Rock, Dan Grossman, Denver 7.
2 months after the shooting, the Douglas County District Attorney's Office cleared Deputy Moore of criminal charges. They said while Sebron's death was a tragedy, the shooting was justified given the circumstances.